How to sell crypto on Bitget. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your crypto on Bitget. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Bitget application on your mobile device. You can even use it on your Chrome by downloading the Chrome extension of Bitget. So once you have opened your Bitget application, you'll be redirected to the home page. So once you're redirected to the home page, you got to click on trade here at the bottom center. So you'll be able to see this option that says trade. So just click on it. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to your trade section. Here you can either be redirected to the copy trading or spot margin. So you got to select spot over here. So here you can see that I've already selected spot, and here you'll be able to see that by default here it is written buy, but you got to click on sell. So once you click on sell, your trading will be set on sell. So in order to sell crypto, what you got to do is you need to click on this over here, and you need to select the order type. For example, I am selling the crypto to the market, so I got to click on market. So make sure it's on market, and then after that you can fill at the market price, the price you wish to sell, and then you can even type down the quantity. Now it depends on you which crypto you wish to sell. For example, here it is selected BTC, but if you wish to select USDT, you can just click on USDT, and then here you got to type down the total amount, and then you can even drag this percentage, that whether you wish to sell 25%, 50%, 75, 100, or any of other percent. And after that, what you got to do is just click on sell BTC in order to sell that. Now there's also another option that is slippage. So the market orders now support slippage settings. So what basically slippage is that when enabled, the system will calculate whether the slippage tolerance is exceeded based on market data each time a market order is placed. And if it exceeds the tolerance, you will receive an alert asking if you want to continue with the order. So you can just fill in the details and then just click on sell BTC. And after that, you'll be able to see that your BTC would be sold, and you'll be able to see that it has been loaded here at your homepage. So that was how you can sell your crypto on Bitget. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.